Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and I just bought a new water bottle, but it's kind of boring when it's blank like this. These days, a water bottle just isn't complete without stickers. So let's get to the bottom of the trend. Why are water bottle stickers so popular anyway? Then, we'll design and print some stickers for ourselves. The obvious reason for the sticker craze is personalization. People love expressing who they are and showcasing their interests. With stickers, you can design a bottle that could only belong to you. So have fun creating designs that represent your personality. Using multiple stickers in the same art style, or stickers that match the color palette of your bottle, can also add a level of aesthetic cohesion. Bottle stickers make for great gifts too. Creating matching stickers of inside jokes or shared interests and gifting them to friends, family, classmates, or coworkers lets you connect with people in a creative and fun way. Looks aren't everything though. There are plenty of practical reasons why you'd want to add stickers to your water bottle. They'll make your bottle more recognizable too. This can come in handy in places with large crowds or for those who use multiple bottles. A lost bottle is more likely to be recognized and returned if the stickers identify it to a friend or coworker. Even just a sticker or two could clear up a lot of confusion. Stickers can also protect your water bottle. By adding a layer of sticker material, you're essentially creating a barrier between your bottle and potential scratches or dings. This is helpful if you're an athlete or go on frequent outdoor adventures. At the very least, stickers are a great way to hide damage and keep your bottle looking new and fresh. Bottle stickers are also a great way to showcase your brand or logo. Not only is this good for exposure, but it'll draw associations between you and your brand. Displaying your personal connection with your business could say a lot to potential customers. Even if you're not a business owner, you could take this opportunity to represent some brands you love. Now, let's decorate this bottle from square one, and I'll take you through the process with me. We'll turn this bottle from something forgettable into something I'm happy to take with me anywhere I go. Creating your own designs is a great idea if you have a really specific vision for your stickers. This approach gives you full creative control of your color palette, fonts, and artwork. Tools like Procreate and Adobe Illustrator are ideal if you want to create your own digital art. If you have an electronic cutting machine like a Silhouette or a Cricut, you can enter your design in software that comes with the machine. Choosing your material is an important step, so keep in mind the intended use for your sticker. With water bottles, it's important your stickers can hold up to moisture, so consider one of our many weatherproof options. Durable materials work well for anyone who brings their bottles on hikes, to the pool, or on other outdoor adventures. When you're ready to print, you have the option to print yourself or have us print for you. If you're printing from home, OnlineLabels printable sticker paper is affordable, high quality, and compatible with most electronic cutting machines. Be sure to use a printer that's capable of producing high quality prints. A laser printer will offer the most durability against moisture and handling. However, tweaking the settings on an inkjet printer will help optimize your prints. We recommend printing on a normal quality setting to avoid ink saturation. After printing, you can cut out your stickers at home using an X-Acto knife, a hole punch, or a cutting machine. Then, just apply to your bottle and you're finished. If you want to take care of everything in one place and order custom stickers online, check us out at OnlineLabels. All you have to do is upload your design and choose your shape, size, material, and finish. Once our artwork team approves your design, your new stickers will be on their way. Customizing your own water bottle is a lot of fun, so make sure you enjoy creating and personalizing your own stickers. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.